How to sign out of Teams app. If you would like to sign out of your Teams application, it is very simple to do so. All you have to do is go ahead and then you can currently see that if I open up my Microsoft Teams app, I'm logged in to one of my Microsoft account. So what should you do if you would like to sign out of this account? Well, just look closely on the top right hand side, you'll find your Microsoft profile. Click on it. Before you click on sign out, you can see an option called add another account. So if that is one thing that you were looking for, you can just go ahead and choose to add another account without signing out of your current account. But if signing out is exactly what you're looking for, then right here on the right hand side, you can see the sign out button. Click on the sign out button, it will ask you for a confirmation. So you just want to click on the sign out button, and once done, you will be successfully signed out of Teams. This way, you'll be able to sign out of Microsoft Teams. I hope that this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, queries, or doubts, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.